those kids who are underperformers, who were not able to even hold the pencils and all, I started understanding them, and started guiding them in a proper way. And it does really help, because I have five kids who really need my attention, because being in positions of coordinator and teaching at the same time, I could not take out the times. So even the time management also, I started managing my times within the time frame only. I'm helping all the kids who are also not performing, and also I'm also doing the same coordinating work for the teachers and all. And as for the AI, I've been using this ChatGPT and also, but during the midterm examination results, we are supposed to write the pen and paper for the kids. Like, we have to give the feedback. So we have written the feedback. The feedback was very too long to be pasted on the online platform. So they asked me to shorten it, but already I have already written everything, and to give it in the half an hour or 1 hour for more than 100 kids for all the classes together. It was not a easy task. So I opened the this one, chat gpt and Gemini AI, and I just put it and written with the this one to shorten it all. So it come out in 5 minutes, and I just pasted it, and all the teachers were like, "Ma'am, आपने कैसे किया?" And everyone was so surprised कि मैम आपने मतलब 10 मिनट में सारा काम कर दिया. मैंने कहा हाँ 10 मिनट में सारा काम कर दिया मैंने. And I even asked them to use, because most of the teachers, they are not able to use this, they are not tech savvy, so they are even after saying, also even after giving the informations, if they don't have this prompt engineering ideas and everything, they could not do it. So I've been training them ki aise karo, but even now they are not able to do so. So it really helped me out.